Want to know how to add rating system to your WordPress site in WooCommerce or WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple in under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up WordPress.com, and once you're there, right here you should be seeing posts or media on the left side under dashboard. So you can just simply select any one of these, and once you're done with that, here you should simply select any existing titles or existing posts that you had created. So once you have selected that, here you can just simply open up editor page. So once you're under the editor page, on the top left side you should see this plus icon. Just simply select it. You should be under block inserter. Now under block inserter, here you can just simply scroll down until you see rating, or you can search for it. So since you want star rating, we'll just keep it as star rating right here. You can just drag and drop it, or just simply click it to add it to the canvas. So you can also change the star rating to field, outlined, and much more. Here it is also interactive, as you can see right here, and you can also type it in of whatever you want. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.